Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are fine and taking precautionary measures from coronavirus. That is, staying home and sanitizing your hands and keeping social distance and wearing mask. Hopefully, you are spending your quarantine time, in a very positive and creative way. Here we are having our science lesson today. Harold is a healthy person and is a non-smoker. Sally is a smoker and is damaging her health. Here we can see that Harold, who is a non-smoker, is enjoying good health. On the other hand, Sally is damaging her health because of smoking. Yes, this is a picture of dried tobacco leaves, and our topic today is tobacco. Yes. Have you ever heard the word tobacco? Here is the picture of dried leaves of tobacco. When these dried leaves are burned, they produce very harmful and poisonous substances. Students, you know these substances are very harmful and damaging to human health. Some of these substances cause cancer. Cancer is a deadly disease. You know, cancer is the second most common cause of death in the world, and it is because of tobacco. And tobacco is found in cigarettes and cigars, and the people who smoke cigars, who smoke cigarettes containing tobacco, they can suffer from such kind of diseases like cancer and many others also. Pictures. In the second diagram, we can see how the burning of tobacco leaves release smoke. This smoke actually contains poisonous substances. So we can easily understand that people who smoke tobacco damage their health with these poisons. They are always in danger of cancer. It causes many different types of cancers. Here are 14 different types of cancers over here. Most common of them is the lung cancer, and there are many other cancers also: esophagus cancers, liver cancer, oral cancer, pancreas cancer. Students, stomach cancer also is the cause of the smoking. Kidney cancer, it also damages our kidneys. It can damage our bladder also. So it is very damaging to all over body. Nicotine. Here is the picture of nicotine. Nicotine is a substance found in tobacco. It is also a very damaging part, very damaging substance, a very damaging drug. It is a major cause of addiction. Addiction means dependence on something. Like a smoker becomes a habitual of smoking and finds it very difficult to avoid smoking. It not only causes addiction, it also damages the brain of the smoker. Nicotine damages the brain of the smoker. It also hardens the walls of the arteries, and our blood causes our blood to clot very easily. It also causes high blood pressure to the smoker. As you know very well, the high blood pressure is the root cause of many other diseases. So the person who is smoking or in a habit of smoking is always in a danger of damaging brain, in a danger of high blood pressure, in a danger of cancer. Here are two pictures, the pictures of two lungs. The first one is the lung of a non-smoker, and the second one is the lungs of a smoker. Actually, tar. Tar is a substance found in the tobacco. It is black and sticky. Yes, it is a sticky substance, black substance, and it can damage the lungs. You can see that the lungs of a non-smoker are healthy one and pink, while the lungs of a smoker are black because of the sticky substance tar. Students, today we have discussed the health issues and attitudes towards smoking and adverse effects of tobacco. Two substances, nicotine and tar, not only causes addiction but also damages human health with most deadly diseases like cancer, strokes, heart diseases and high blood pressure and many other. And it also damages our lungs as we have seen in this picture. So our aim from today is to make our society tobacco free. So be a part of this noble cause and spread awareness of the harmful effects of smoking around. First assignment you will do, name two drugs found in tobacco. What are the effects of these drugs? So you know very well the two drugs found in tobacco we have discussed in this lecture. Yes, they are nicotine and tar, and you know the harmful effects of this. And the second assignment is give 4 harmful effects of smoking on human life or human health. So these are your assignments you will do. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.